Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved these spring twists. If you guys want to know how I did this, make sure you keep watching, and if you're here for the first time, my name is Kadi. Let's just jump straight into this tutorial. So today I'll be working with EayonHair again, and they sent me their Afro spring twist human braiding hair, and they sent me 2 bundles and also a styling comb and a styling brush, so which is the rat tail comb. They sent me 2. As you guys can see, I have already done the back of my hair because this is a very simple and very straightforward hairstyle, so I didn't want to do this video from the beginning, so I had already gone ahead to do the back. First of all guys, this is my first time doing, like, should I say, mini spring twist or short spring twist on myself. I have used spring twist hair before, but that was to do locks, so this is my first time just doing it as a mini twist, so bear with me guys. So I did go ahead to like prepare the hair. I did go ahead to just separate the hair, and then I'm doing like a normal traditional braiding with the hair from the base of my natural hair. I haven't done this in a long time. You guys know that I usually do a lot of knotless when it comes to my base, because I feel like knotless just doesn't give you that much tension on your hair, and it just makes the hair look very natural for me anyways. So I haven't done like a knotted braid on myself in a long time, so yeah, this was a bit, you know, I did feel the tension just a tiny bit on my scalp, but it was okay. So yeah, like I said earlier on, this hairstyle is very straightforward, but for me, one thing I can say is I really wanted the bouncy spring twist. Like, I wanted it to be very like bouncy and very twisted, but I feel like because of the way I twist my hair, it didn't give me that bouncy spring twist, so it ended up just looking like a very loose twist, like basically just loose mini twist, if you get what I mean. So I go ahead to just, you know, show you guys how I put the hair and then place it on my natural hair, and then I start braiding, and then I start to do the twist. But before I start doing the twist, I kind of just, you know, braid my hair as much as I can, maybe even 5 to 6 times if I can, just so that the hair is secure on my natural, because you need to have a very good grip when it comes to dealing with this hair. So I do make sure that I grip my hair properly and I braid it as much as I can, just so that it's very secure before I go ahead and do the twist. I don't know if you guys saw, I did separate the hair into 2 before I start twisting, and I think I didn't get the juicy, you know, spring twist that I wanted, like I see most videos, because I usually twist to the left, and apparently they said if you want it to be like proper springy or proper, you know, to give you that spring twist vibe, then you would have to twist to the right. But I don't know if you guys noticed that my channel is mostly, I do a lot of like braids. I have done twist before, and even the last video that I did was twist, but of course they're not the perfect twist. And maybe I'm just overthinking it. Maybe someone else might look at this video and be like, nah girl, those twists are fine, as long as it's twisted, that's all that's important. But obviously, because of the type of hair that it is, I just thought it should give more of a springy, bouncy twist. But at the end of the day, I feel like most people do it like this anyways, because it still gives it that natural look. And for me to even do this video, it was already stressful because my camera settings changed, and I had to go through a lot just to try and set my camera again. So maybe it's not the same quality as my other videos, because I'm still trying to work on what the settings was before, because I deleted everything and refresh my camera. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys 2 ways of how you can, you know, secure the base. So you can do this method where you don't have to like section the hair itself into 2 pieces, and then just like how I showed you guys in the beginning, you can just place the hair in the center of your natural hair, as you guys can see, and then you braid it together, and then you just separate that into two and you start twisting. If your hair is thin like mine, then you don't have to really separate it if it's not thick, like where you're braiding. Like my hair at the front is really thin, so sometimes I don't have to separate my natural hair to put it on both sides, so I can just put it on one side and just twist. And then this is the other method where I just go ahead and do like a normal traditional braiding. So I make sure I grip that from the base, from the base of my hair, and I start braiding. And like I said, I braid like up to like 6 times or 5 times, as much as I can, just to make sure the base is secure before I start twisting, because sometimes if you don't do that, it's gonna look very loose and it might not last. So that's all I do, and then I just twist. And like I said, they're very loose twist. It looks very fluffy because I twisted to the left. I just find it so hard to twist to the right. Twisting is not for everyone, I guess. It looks so easy, but it's harder. But yeah, I'm not sure what you guys think about the hairstyle. Obviously I like it because it's very simple, it's cute, you know, you can literally just rock this like a natural hairstyle. So I did go ahead and just like trim the ends and take away the ends, and I didn't go ahead to put this in hot water because you really don't have to. I just went ahead to use the ORS mousse, and I just applied this everywhere just to, you know, make everything lay and just put everything in place. And then I just go ahead to use a gummy edge control to do my edges because that gives it an extra hold. So I just do very simple edges, and I just, you know, slick that back. That's all I do for my edges, very simple. And I don't know how many numbers of twists I have on my head, but I did do the back a bit bigger, and then like medium, and then the front I did it smaller just so that it can look very full because the hair is already light. And then I used the ORS sheen spray just to add some shine to the hair. And then I'm just going ahead to add some accessories to the hair just to give it a bit more of a goddess vibe, you know. I really love the last one that I put. It's so cute. It has the cross on it. How cute is that? But yeah, so this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. Thank you, EayonHair, for sponsoring this video once again. And yeah, this hair is very cute. It just gives like a very natural vibe. Like you can actually keep this for a very long time and it'll still look natural. I love the fact that it's short and it's very, you know, versatile. You can do different style with it. And I love the fact that it's so neat as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Please don't forget to comment down below, like, and also subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to purchase this hair, you guys can visit EayonHair. I'm gonna put all the details in the description box below. So if you guys want to also try out this hair, you can visit the website. Let me know what you guys think about the twist as well, like if I'm just overthinking it or it's just giving natural babe, you know, it's just giving that fluffy cute natural hairstyle. Does this look like my hair? Let me know if this looks like my hair. Okay, I think I'm just doing too much now, but let me know if this looks like my hair. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye.